Hello everyone. Tie 3 rubber bands together so that it looks like bunny ears from one angle. Take a section from the front, add multiple rubber bands to it including the bunny ear rubber band. At the back, make another section, tie a rubber band to it, make 2 divisions out of it, tie 2 rubber bands as such. At the bottom, make 2 ponytails. Tie 3 rubber bands together so that it gives a bunny ears effect. Take a section from the front and tie a rubber band to it. Do this on either side and then taking small sections from the initial sections that you have taken out, join it to the back. Tie it up at the back as such. Do the same until all of the sections have been used up and tie it at the back accordingly. Take a section off the top of the scalp and then tie a rubber band to it. Divide it into 2 sections, begin to braid one of the sections. As you progress with the braid, include more and more sections of the hair into this braid. Join it at the back accordingly. Add a decorative bow. Take a section off the top, make 2 braids out of it, and then make a section on the side, tie a rubber band on either side. Join these sections at the back. Roll this section in on itself as such. Take a small section from the front and then tie a rubber band to it. Begin to braid the hair as such and then roll it up into a bun. Add a decorative clip. At the back, make another section. Take 2 more sections from the back, tie it up right underneath the first section. Repeat this step until you reach the base. Once you reach the base, you may normally tie up the hair. Add a rubber band at the base. Take a section off the top front of the scalp, make 3 sections in total. Roll each of these sections in on themselves. After you are done with this, add a thread to each of the sections. Now, using the thread as one of the sections, begin to braid the hair along with another section that you have made. Start off by tying a ponytail at the back, take a small section of this ponytail, add a rubber band to it. Take the other section, divide it into 2 parts and then wrap it around the first one. Slightly loosen it using your fingers. Take a section off the front of the hair, tie a rubber band to it. Braid the hair at the back. Make 2 or 3 more sections at the back until you reach the base, then braid the rest of the hair and roll it up once you are done. Tie a ponytail at the back and then tie a ribbon to it. Using the ribbon as one of the sections, make a braid out of the hair. Roll it up into a bun and then wrap the rest of the ribbon around it. Roll it up, crush it together in the middle to make it look like a bow. Pin it in place. Take a section off the top of the scalp, tie a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself, and then braid the hair. Now, taking the braid that you have just created, pull a section of the hair through it. Do this about 2 more times. Now, taking the newly entered sections, make a braid out of it as well. Tie it together at the back accordingly. Take a section off the top, add a rubber band to it. Take 2 more sections from either side, join it at the back accordingly. Repeat this step until you reach the base. Once you reach the base, begin to normally braid the hair as such. Start off by tying 2 ponytails on either side, divide it into 2 sections, and then add a rubber band in the middle of each of these 2 sections. Make 2 braids at the bottom, lift it up, and then tie it up as a bow in place. Take a small section from the top middle, and then add a rubber band to it. Right underneath it, add another rubber band. Take another section, add another rubber band to it, and then begin to braid the hair. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into this braid. Do it only on the left side, that is before the central parting comes. Braid it until you reach the bottom. Taking the side section, make a ponytail. Now take the section, begin to braid the hair. Once more, include more and more sections into the hair until you reach the base. Thank you for watching.